Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 really simple hummus recipes and absolute favourites of mine. I'm going to be showing you original beetroot hummus and a spicy jalapeno and coriander hummus. Let's start with original. So you're just going to be putting some chickpeas into a blender, adding some ice cold water with 4 ice cubes, some garlic, raw or roasted, depends on whatever you prefer, a really generous helping of tahini, some lemon juice, a really generous glug of olive oil, some salt, some pepper, and you're ready to blend. All the amounts will be in the description below, so don't worry about missing out on that. And what's really great about this hummus recipe is that even though this is original, it can be adapted super easy to basically make it whatever you want. So when you're done, just put it into a jar or container, whatever you have, and then put it in the fridge. What's great is that it can be kept for at least 4 or 5 days, and also you can freeze it if you make too much. Next we've got beetroot hummus. So again, just put chickpeas into a blender with 2 medium beetroots, ice cold water again with some ice, some lemon, delicious lemon, cloves of garlic, of course, some salt, some pepper, generous glug of olive oil, don't forget your tahini, and then blend. I love this one so much because it's such a beautiful vibrant pink colour, and you can use it for parties. It's such a favourite because it just looks so pretty. And then just again add it to whatever container you want and put it in the fridge. And the last one, again, just put some chickpeas into a blender, add a generous helping of coriander depending on how much you like. Then you're going to be adding some jalapeños. I don't add raw, I add the ones in a jar because they taste pretty good. Just make sure you rinse them. Some garlic, a generous helping of tahini, the ice cold water with ice, some lemon, salt and pepper, and some olive oil, and get blending. I love this one as well because it just turns into a really fun green colour. It's so nice to have all 3 of these hummuses, especially at little parties or whatever, because they're all different colours and they look quite fun. And they're quite good for getting kids as well interested because, well, they're pretty fun colours. Maybe not the green one, but definitely the pink one. Yep, put it in a jar or whatever you have and put it in the fridge and you are done. This one's my actual favourite. It's super nice and spicy. Just make sure you adjust for what you can handle and what you like. One of my favourite things to do is to put some of this green hummus onto a piece of toast with some mushrooms and some extra coriander. It's just so delicious to me. These hummuses are really versatile and you could add some roasted red peppers. You could do almost anything, to be honest. And yeah, please let me know if you make these, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys soon.